Hello and welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks on how to raise financially savvy kids. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set your child up for financial success. Why is this important? Well, according to a recent study, only 24% of millennials demonstrate basic financial literacy, and only 8% have high financial knowledge. This means that many young adults are struggling with debt, budgeting, saving, investing, and other aspects of personal finance. If you want your child to avoid these pitfalls and achieve financial independence, you need to start teaching them the value of money and the skills of money management from an early age. Here are some steps you can take to do that. 1. Give them an allowance. An allowance is a great way to introduce your child to the concept of income and expenses. It also gives them an opportunity to practice making decisions and learning from their mistakes. You can start giving your child an allowance as soon as they can count money, and adjust the amount and frequency according to their age and needs. You can also tie the allowance to chores or tasks, or make it unconditional. The key is to be consistent and clear about the rules and expectations. 2. Help them set goals and save. Once your child has an allowance, you can help them set goals for what they want to buy or do with their money. This will teach them the importance of planning ahead and delaying gratification. You can also help them open a savings account or a piggy bank, and encourage them to save a portion of their income every month. You can also match their savings or offer incentives for reaching their goals. 3. Teach them how to budget. Budgeting is a crucial skill for managing money effectively. You can teach your child how to budget by showing them how you plan your own income and expenses, and involving them in some of the household financial decisions. You can also give them a budget planner or a spreadsheet, and help them track their income and spending. You can also show them how to prioritize their needs and wants, and how to cut costs or find ways to earn more money. 4. Introduce them to investing. Investing is a way to grow your money over time by putting it in assets that generate returns, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or businesses. You can introduce your child to investing by explaining the basic concepts and principles, such as risk, return, diversification, compound interest, and inflation. You can also show them some examples of successful investors or entrepreneurs, and how they made their money. You can also let them invest some of their own money in a simulated or real portfolio, and monitor their performance. 5. Educate them on financial literacy. Financial literacy is the knowledge and understanding of financial matters that enable people to make informed and effective decisions. You can educate your child on financial literacy by exposing them to various sources of information and education, such as books, podcasts, videos, games, apps, websites, or courses. You can also discuss with them current events or issues related to money and finance, such as taxes, debt, credit cards, loans, insurance, retirement, etc. By following these steps, you will help your child develop a positive attitude and behavior towards money that will serve them well throughout their life. Remember that you are the most important role model for your child when it comes to money matters, so make sure you practice what you preach and demonstrate good financial habits yourself. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this one. See you next time.